Here we have this 68 plate BMW 330D XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition. Comes with the LED headlights. We've got the kidney grills in the centre, front splitter at the bottom. We've also got front and rear parking sensors with an in-car display, 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue caliper behind. We've got the side skirts at the bottom, privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with the black trim around the outside, colour-coded door handles with the black door mirrors. As we make our way to the rear, you'll be able to see we've got the twin exit exhaust to the left with a diffuser at the bottom, parking sensors also running across the middle of the bumper. Now this vehicle does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with the ISOFIX points, armrest in the centre. We've also got the electric windows on the door. Onto the front, we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather. Both of these seats are heated, and there is a look at those. We've got the folding electric mirrors with the electric windows, premium Harman Kardon sound system, automatic lights with the automatic wipers, and the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside, turning this vehicle on, my foot is on the brake, press the start button, and as you can see, we're free from any warning lights. Now this vehicle does also have a heated steering wheel, so if you just press this button here, it comes up that the steering wheel heating activated. If you press it again, it deactivates it. We've got the cruise control and speed limiter with a paddle shift to the left, and we've also got the volume with the paddle shift to the right. We've got the satellite navigation in the centre here. Now it is flickering, and that's just for the purpose of this video. This does not happen in real life. We've also got the Bluetooth media and DAB radio with a Bluetooth phone connectivity. Now if we just go into the vehicle and go up to vehicle settings, across to lights there, and we've got a little bit of interior lighting which you can change from classic to sport. As we make our way down, we've got the dual climate control. We've also got heated seats on both sides, the heated rear window, and the air conditioning as well. We've got the cup holders with the automatic gearbox, different drive modes with the traction control. We've also got the dial with the manual buttons for the screen, handbrake, and the armrest with accessory area underneath. Now if I just pop this car into reverse, you'll be able to see we've got the sensors on the screen just there, popping it back into neutral and making this vehicle safe. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 330D XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition. Now the purpose of this video is to show you that this vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. You can see that I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel. We're not veering off to the left or veering off to the right. We're staying pretty true to the road. Throughout this video test drive, you'll be able to hear that we are free from any unwanted bangs or knocks. On the multifunctional steering wheel in front of me, we've got the cruise control and speed limiter with the paddle shift to the left, and we've also got the volume button with the paddle shift to the right. Now just behind the steering wheel to the side, we've got the heated steering wheel button, and you can press that on and it gives you notification on the dashboard whether it's on or off. We've also got the satellite navigation in the center with all the other functions which you may have seen on the website. Dual climate control with the air conditioning for those summer mornings and nights, and we've also got the heated seats on the two front seats here, which are perfect for those wintry mornings. We've also got the heated rear window. We've got the cup holders with the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. We've also got the dial with the different function buttons for the screen as well. All black leather on these seats, which are very comfortable. You probably do 200-300 miles and still get out feeling pretty fresh. Now I'm just going to take a right hand turn into the industrial estate where I'll perform an emergency stop. And I'll do that in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes. Into reverse, you'll be able to see we've got the sensors just there. Back into drive with no issues at all. Now if you've got any other questions or queries about this vehicle, then do not hesitate to contact the sales team here at RS Car Sales. But that's all from me today. Cheers.